Welcome to the 30 Days Comprehensive Exam Preparation video series. Let's kickstart your journey towards success in competitive exams like IIT, UPSC, and NEET. Day 1. Introduction and Goal Setting. Day 1 is all about setting the stage for your exam preparation. Let's dive in. Understanding the exam. Before you begin your preparation, it's crucial to understand the exam you are targeting. Take the time to research the exam pattern, syllabus, and marking scheme. This knowledge will help you focus your efforts effectively. Importance of goal setting. Goal setting plays a pivotal role in exam preparation. It provides you with a clear direction and motivates you to stay on track. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals that align with your aspirations. Long-term and short-term goals. Divide your goals into long-term and short-term objectives. Long-term goals encompass the overall exam target, while short-term goals are milestones you aim to achieve within specific time frames. This approach makes your preparation journey more manageable and progressive. Creating an action plan. An action plan is essential to convert your goals into tangible steps. Break down your preparation into smaller tasks, such as completing specific chapters, practicing mock tests, or revising topics. This structured approach will help you track your progress effectively. Tracking progress. Regularly monitor your progress to ensure you are on the right path. Keep a study journal or use online tools to record your study hours, completed tasks, and areas of improvement. Tracking your progress will boost your motivation and allow you to make necessary adjustments. Managing time effectively. Time management is key to success in competitive exams. Create a study schedule that suits your preferences and commitments. Allocate dedicated time slots for each subject, revision, practice tests, and leisure activities. Remember to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Staying motivated. The journey towards your exams can be demanding, so it's crucial to stay motivated. Find your sources of inspiration, whether it's reading success stories, surrounding yourself with supportive peers, or visualizing your desired outcomes. Stay positive and believe in your capabilities. That wraps up day 1 of our comprehensive exam preparation video series. Remember, setting clear goals and creating an action plan will be the foundation of your success. Stay tuned as we delve into effective time management techniques for your exam preparation. Host, thank you for watching, and best of luck with your exam preparation journey.